Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it. Now, I have identified the product in the link below. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1, supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 2, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. Bonus number 3, gain reoccurring income online easily. Bonus number 4, daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And bonus number 5, understand today's affiliate marketing trends. Now let's get on with the review. Self-Help Books PLR was created and produced by Trevor Carr and Luann Andrich, 2 accomplished internet marketers. Now, this is a huge collection of never-before-seen self-help books that you can turn into your own products and sell for massive products, or massive profits, I should say. Now, for only $12.95, you get 30 self-help books with PLR rights, plus my 5 bonuses. And here's what you need to know about the self-help books PLR. They are massively popular right now and are selling like crazy. You can tap into this new niche and keep 100% of the profits. PLR means that you can edit them, add your name, and do whatever you want. All 30 ebooks come with e-covers, so they're ready to sell. They're fully edible with training included. And the biggest collection of unique self-help books on our market today. And all books are brand new and created from scratch. You also receive a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can sell them on Etsy, Amazon, or your own storefront, as I will do in the coming days. And by the way, I have purchased these self-help books for myself, and cannot recommend them enough. Purchase them through my link below. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they will show you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2, they'll show you how to create a recurring passive income online. Number 3, it'll show you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 will show you how to supercharge your results with this evolutionary system, gaining up to $186 a day using 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 will show you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates, plus much, much more. Now, this offer includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, thank you for watching, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.